Imagine waking up one day and realizing you've been living on autopilot, chasing goals, scrolling endlessly, but never stopping to ask, am I truly living? That's where philosophy comes in. Today, we're sharing life-changing philosophy advice that can transform your 2025 straight from the great philosophers like Aristotle and Ralph Waldo Emerson. This isn't just theory. These are practical tips to find purpose, master self-discipline, and live a life of clarity. Stick around, because this might just be the wake-up call you've been waiting for. Let's start with a guy who knew a thing or two about living well. Aristotle, the ancient Greek philosopher. Picture this. Aristotle's walking through Athens, teaching his students about the golden mean. What's that? It's the idea of finding balance in everything you do. Too much courage makes you reckless. Too little makes you a coward. The golden mean is the sweet spot in between. Take your daily life in 2025. Maybe you're working too hard and burning out, or maybe you're procrastinating too much. Aristotle's advice? Find the balance. Work hard but rest well. Be bold but not reckless. This simple idea can bring harmony to your chaotic life. So what's one area where you need more balance? Think about it. We'll come back to that later. Now let's fast forward to the 1800s and meet Ralph Waldo Emerson, an American philosopher who's all about self-reliance. Emerson believed you should trust yourself above all else. In his essay, Self-Reliance, he wrote, "To be great is to be misunderstood." Think about that. How often do you hold back because you're worried about what others think? In 2025, with social media and constant comparison, that's harder than ever. Emerson's advice is to stop seeking approval and start listening to your inner voice. Maybe that means pursuing a passion project or saying no to things that don't align with your values. Self-reliance isn't about being selfish. It's about being true to who you are. So what's one thing you've been holding back on because of others' opinions? Okay, let's get practical. How can you apply this philosophy advice in your daily life? Here are 3 tips inspired by Aristotle and Emerson. First, reflect daily. Take 5 minutes each morning to ask yourself, what's my intention today? This sets the tone for a purposeful day. Second, set boundaries. Aristotle's golden mean teaches us not to overcommit. Say no to things that drain you so you can say yes to what matters. Third, trust your gut, like Emerson said. If something feels off, a job, a relationship, a decision, listen to that inner voice. These small changes can make a big difference. I started journaling every morning, and it's been a game changer for my clarity. What's one philosophy tip you're going to try this week? Let me share a quick story. A year ago, I was stressed, overworked, and felt like I was just going through the motions. Then I stumbled across Aristotle's idea of balance and Emerson's call to trust myself. I started small, setting boundaries at work, taking time to reflect, and pursuing what truly mattered to me. Slowly, I felt more in control, more purposeful. Philosophy isn't just for ancient thinkers. It's for you right now in 2025. It's a tool to navigate the mess of being human. And trust me, once you start applying these ideas, you'll never look at life the same way again. Voiceover. So what's the best philosophy advice you've ever heard? Maybe it's Aristotle's balance, Emerson's self-reliance, or something else entirely. Drop it in the comments below and let's discuss. If this video gave you a new perspective, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs some wisdom, and subscribe to PhilosoFree USA for more philosophy videos every week. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let's keep exploring life's big questions together. See you in the next video.